Well, hello there and welcome to MFM. This is, I think this is part 3 of the 1/72nd scale Airfix Folland GNAT.1 build. That's the trainer. So part 3, the phase we are in now, is the aircraft's basically assembled, but I've run into a few difficulties. Nothing major, they're just kind of alignment problems. I mean, on the whole, the kit itself has gone together very well. You know, it's a pretty faultless kit. You know, excellent moulding, all these things that we're quite familiar with the more of the recent, well, some of the more recent Airfix releases. But anyway, there were alignment issues, mainly from the wing section. Fuselage went together okay. And then when it came to placing the wings in, this part here, throughout the rear, that seam line there, or the rear section of this whole wing section, because that's one piece, that was raised up, it would not go down. So I've had to really sand that down a bit. Fortunately the detail has not been taken out, but I've really had to level it off and then fill it. Same with the front of the nose. That there was a gap there. That needs to be sanded there. The pilot's console, that needs to be smoothed off there. It fitted okay there. There was a little bit of to file a tiny amount off there as well, because that was raised up too high, those 2 points. And again, underneath that fuselage section there, that's had to be smoothed and sanded and smoothed down. And I think I've probably taken out, and I haven't. I thought I'd taken out one of the panel lines there, which I can put back in. Tiny amount there, but that was a niggle. But nothing really to. You know, it's just delayed the build a bit, it's delayed the painting. I'm going to have to repaint prime the whole thing again. Pilot's compartment is in, but I'm going to mask that off. So that's going to be masked off. Yeah, and the other part, there's a panel here which basically covers over the strut. The landing gear, takeoff gear section compartments there. That's a cover for that. That fitted in very nicely. Well, that was, I think, it was slightly raised there, but that did fit in pretty well. And that's the only part you actually have to put in on the fuselage itself. The rest of it is just 2 pieces. And actually forgotten how wide bodied this jet is. It is a beautiful aircraft. I never realised it was as wide as that on top, so it was rather a nice design, really nice design. He witters. Yeah, so that's held things up a little bit, but not drastically. So the next video will be painting Folland that, hopefully, and then we've basically finished it. I haven't painted the canopy yet, but that's the next thing. Just about everything is on now. Okay, well, I'll see you on the next video for the painting video for the Airfix 1/72nd scale Folland. Well, thanks for watching. Bye for now.